Hello folks, welcome to another session of 25 questions. So let's start from questions only. So first question is from programming output. So what will the output of below Java code? Okay, let's see. Char a is equal to a, then a plus plus, and then we have to print integer value of a. Okay, so what consists a? A is having a and we are incrementing the value. So here a will having the ASCII value of capital A. So what is the ASCII value of capital A? It is 65, and then one increment will become it 66, and output it will be printed as 66. So correct answer is option C, 66. Let's go to next question. What will be the output of below shell command? Dollar echo, the output is dollar dollar. So we know echo command is kind of display command or print command to show the output at the terminal. And what does dollar dollar contain? Dollar dollar contains process ID. So the output is process ID or PID. So correct answer is option D. Option D is correct. There is one more command which is dollar star and one is dollar hash. Dollar hash is taking the number of arguments passed and dollar star is taking the all positional parameters in ones. That's what dollar star takes. Next is frequency band definition and wireless signal encoding are function of which layer? So this is function of physical layer. So whenever we will have something related to transmission medium or something related to that, it will be physical layer only. Next is read below statements carefully and state true or false. Let's see what the statements are. First is an undirected graph which contains no cycle is called forest. That is absolutely true. Next is a graph is said to be complete if there is an edge between every pair of vertices. That is also true. So both the statements are true. So the correct answer is true and true. Option A. Next is each a relationship in Java is related to. So we know is a relationship is related to inheritance. So correct answer is option A, inheritance. Next question is a functional dependency is a relationship or among. So functional dependency in a relationship is between among what? Among entities, rows, attributes, tables, both A and B. So the correct answer is attributes. So what is functional dependency? Like one attribute is dependent on other or one attribute is driving the other attributes. That is what functional dependency is. So it is between attributes only. Next question is which of the following statements is or are false about OLAP? What is OLAP? Online analytical processing. So let's see the options. First is OLAP involves long running slow transaction that read lot of data. That is true. Next is OLAP involves frequent insert, update and delete operation. False. This is not correct. OLTP involves frequent insert, update and delete, not OLAP. Option C is OLAP requires data to be denormalization for optimal processing. That is also not correct. Normalization, because OLAP is also based on RDBMS and normalization is required there also. So both B and C are false. So correct answer will be option D, both B and C. Next is which of the a normal form in which database contains only two constants, which are domain constant and key constant, is known as, so this is known as DKNF or domain key constant normal form. So the basic idea behind DKNF was is that a table can have only two type of constants, but one is domain constant and one is key constant. That's it. Next is which of these keywords must be used to inherit a class? So this is very simple. The answer is extends. Next is, if a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 15, then the statement x is equal to a is greater than b, question marks a colon b. So how this will be evaluated? First, this condition will be evaluated. If the condition is true, then a will be printed, and if the condition is false, then b will be printed. So here, if we will evaluate, if a is greater than b, a value is 8 and b's value is 15, so it will be, result will be false. So what will be moved to x? That will be the value of b. So what is b? B is 15. So x will be assigned value of 15. So which is correct option here? Assign the value 15 to x, option C. So this is correct option. Next question. For a linear search in an array of an element, the time complexity for best, worst and average case are dash dash and dash. So what will be the best time complexity for linear search? In linear search, the searching will start from first position or first index. So the best time complexity will be, or it is a kind of sequential search also. So the best case will be the element is present at first location only. So O1 will be the best time complexity. And what will be the worst? The element is present at last. And what will be the average? Element is present at between the list. So On by 2. So O1, On and On by 2. Option number B, O1, On and On by 2. I hope it is clear. Next is, which of the following statements about functions is false? Let's go to statement. A function can call itself. That's true. We know this is as a recursive function. Next is, a function can call another function. That is also true. Next is, constants can appear in formal argument list. No, this is not correct. Constant can appear in actual argument list. Formal argument list is having only variables. Next is, more than one function is allowed in the programming unit. Yeah, that's correct. So the correct option for this is option number C. Option number C is false. Next is, relation R1 has 10 tuples and 5 attributes. Okay. Relation R2 has 0 tuples and 7 attributes. When a cross join is achieved, what is cross join? Cross join is kind of Cartesian product. Whatever the rows are there, whether it is matching or not matching, the output will be printed. So cross join is achieved between R1 and R2. How many tuples would be resultant set have? So since R2 has 0 tuples, means nothing is there in R2. So whenever we will do a Cartesian product or cross join, output will give 0 only, because we don't find anything in relation to. So correct answer will be option C, 0. Next is, in Linux, which command is used to display the top of the file? So it is head. Head command will show the data from the top of the file. Question number 15 is, dash show the count of argument passed to the script. So we have discussed it. It is $hash. Next is, which of the following is true about data encryption? Let's see the option. Data encryption ensures data safety and very important for confidential or critical data. That is true. It protects data from being read, altered or forged while transmission. That is also true. It is used to secure the data while transmission of data over in unsecured network. That is also true. That is why encryption is important. So the correct answer will be all A, B and C. Option is the correct answer here. Next is, what do you understand by IP grabber? So IP grabber is basically a hacking technique. So let's see the option. An IP grabber is a program that is used to assign IP address of a computer. That is not correct. An IP grabber is a program that will find the IP address of another computer, often used by hackers. Yeah, this is correct. Both and we know, none of this. It is used to assign MAC address. That is also not correct. So correct answer is option B. Next question is from R. What will be output of below code? So what does this sequence function does? It will generate a sequence of numbers. So 100 means it will start from 100, 2 means it will go till 1000, and by is equal to 20 means it will take a difference of 20. So it will be like 100, 120, 140 and so on till 1000. So what will the correct option? 100, 120, 140 till this one. Option B is the correct answer. 100, 120, 140 till 980,000. Let's go to next question. If A is equal to matrix 1 colon 16 4 4, then what is A 2 3? So we know it will be a 4 cross. What does this mean? So it is a 4 cross 4 matrix, 4 rows 4 columns, and the data will be from 1 to 16. And since we are not giving by row is equal to true, so data will be filled by column only. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 14 15 16. So it is a 4 cross 4 matrix, and the value we have to find is 2 3 means second row third column. So this is second row, and where is third column? This is third column. 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, and row second is this. So this will be the answer 10. So the answer will be 10. Option D. Next is, what will be the output of following Python function? Len hello 246. What does this len function does? It will provide the number of elements present in this. So there are 4 elements, 1 2 3 4. Hello is separate, 246 is separate. So the correct answer is option C 4. So this PDF is available on my Telegram channel also. So there I have marked the answer, and if you want this for revision purpose, you can subscribe my channel on Telegram also, and you can download the PDF from there. Telegram link is present in my description box. Next is, what will be the output of the following Python code? Print abc.def.capitalize. So what does this capitalize function does? We have seen this capitalize function. What it will do? It will just change the first character to uppercase, and rest all will be lowercase only. So the output will be A will be uppercase, BC will be as it is, and .def it will also go to lowercase. So it will be DEF. So ABC dot small def. Let's see, ABC dot small def. Yeah, this is correct. Option A itself is correct. So correct answer is option A, ABC dot small def. Next is, which is the maximum number of super key of the relation schema R x y z w with x as the key. So x as the key is given. So we have to find the super key. Super key is maximum number of keys which we can derive from x. So let's see. So what can be the keys? X is a key they have given. So this is also a part of super key. And what? Anything we will combine with x, it can act as a key. So next is xy, xz, xw. What more? Let's combine 2 xyz, xyw, and xzw. Let's combine all 4 xyzw. So how many it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are total 8 keys, 8 super keys. So answer is option C, 8. Next is, in PPP, what is PPP? Point to point protocol. So in PPP, a three-way handshaking protocol used for authentication is known as. So what is this? This is CHAP. What is CHAP? CHAP is Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol. It is a point to point protocol. It was developed by IETF. What is IETF? Internet Engineering Task Force. So it is a three-way handshaking protocol. How it is working is, suppose there is 2 party, one is sender, one is receiver. So first, let's say this is an authenticator. So what is the purpose of this is to authenticate whether the communication is happening correctly or not, and with the correct host or not. So firstly, it will send a challenge protocol. So challenge packet, not protocol. It will send a challenge packet to peer, and it has its own hash function. It is its own hash function. What is hash function? They both are using MD5 hash. So by using his hash, what it will do, it will send a response packet. So this response packet will be validated by authenticator hash function, and if that is success, it will send a success packet, else it will send a error packet. If it is success packet, means it is making sure that the communication is happening with correct host only, but if it is an error packet, then the connection will be terminated. That's how it works. So this is a three-way handshaking protocol to ensure the connection is correct or not. So chap. So what is this BootP? BootP is Bootstrap protocol. So what is Bootstrap protocol does? This is a kind of combination of DHCP and UDP. This also assigns IP address and authenticate the user. FTP we know. You have to tell me what is DSS protocol. We have discussed DSS and ESS. Tell me in comment section what is DSS. Next is transform the following infix expressions to postfix expressions. This is very easy question but very important question. This question comes in exam. So let's see. So how we can convert it? Firstly, we will convert brackets. So it will be AB plus. Let star will be as it is. CD minus. Let this is as it is. Division as it is. Now again in next line AB plus. CD minus, star will go here, and then E division will go after E. So AB plus CD minus star E division is the correct answer. So which is the correct option here? This one. AB plus CD minus star E. Yeah. Option D is correct option here. So I have seen your comment. Few people have some comments on my Telegram, and few people are commenting on my YouTube channel. So I will try to cover all your comment or address all your comments whenever I will get time. So don't worry. There are some people, someone who was telling like we should cover all the type of joins. So I will try to cover that in next video, and I will go through all the comments whether in Telegram or from YouTube comment section, and I will try to cover in coming days. So don't worry, from wherever you are preparing, keep preparing. Let's see the last question for the day. Which of the following declaration is incorrect in Python language? XYZP, this is correct. XYZP, this is incorrect. We cannot use spaces in declaring the value. If we want to declare 4 variables like this, we have to use this. X, Y, Z, P, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000. So here X value will having 5000, Y will having 6000, Z will having 7, and P will having 8000. Next is X underscore Y underscore Z underscore P is equal to this. Yeah, underscore we can use. So this is also this is one variable declaration. X Y Z P is taken as a one variable. Value is 5 and 6 times 0. This is incorrect. In option C, we are declaring 4 variables X, Y, Z, P. And in option D, we are again declaring only one variable X underscore Y underscore Z underscore P. So the correct answer for this is option B. So that's all for today's video. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe, and PDF you can download from Telegram channel. So let's meet in next video. Till then, keep learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.